Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to cut the PVC board for house wiring, because why I'm using this PVC board many times, because it's quite flexible, not like ready-made one where everything is fixed. You have the switch, you have the maybe the power line which are actually fixed, but in this case it's quite flexible. I mean, according to your requirement, if you want to put the power line or the domestic, or how many switches you can put, then accordingly you just have to cut. So I have been using this because of its flexibility, where you can use depending on your requirement. So today I'll be showing you how to cut this, but before we go into that, I'll just quickly tell you what is this. So this is the PVC board we call. You just go and buy from the shop. It costs around, first of all, the size is 8-inch, the width, and the length is 10-inch. If you measure with a scale or something, then you'll get, and the thickness is 2-inch, where it is also given behind this. If you want to see the size, this is the standard size. See, it's given 8-inch into 10-inch. 8 is the width, 10-inch is the length, and then 2-inch is the thickness. So the company is Presto. It's quite good. I recommend people to use this because of its it's quite good. I mean, the material used to make this, it's quite flexible. It doesn't get break easily, so you can easily cut also, and it is having ISI mark there. I mean, the material itself is good. So before we go into the cutting exercise, I'll just quickly introduce the components which I'll be placing here. We have this one. This is called the I'll be putting this. This is called the 5-in-1 combine. Why we call 5-in-1? Because we have 5 components. If you see clearly, you have the switch. Number 1, we have the switch. This is 16 ampere switch. And then number 2, we have the fuse. This is the fuse. If you take it out, it will be like this. This is the fuse. Inside they have provided. See, it is like that. So quite good. If anything overcurrent, anything, this will get burned, so you just have to replace this. It can easily be fixed. And this is the neon indicator. The moment you put it on, then this will, according to the wiring that I'll be showing you later, this will also glow. This is number 3. Number 4 is the domestic. You can see here, this is the neutral on the left hand side, and on the right hand side is the live wire which will be connected here, and the middle one is the earth. And the rating of this domestic socket is 6 ampere, the manufacturing rating. And the fifth one, I was saying that 5-in-1, all the 5 are coming in just one plate. And the fifth one is the power line. You can see here, this is the earth, and then on the left hand side is the neutral, on the right hand side is the phase or the live wire which will be connected here. And the rating of this, the manufacturing rating given is 16 ampere. So this is quite good. If you want to use this one, then sometime for cooking, you are using heater of 1000 watt or 1500 watt, then this is the plug, the power line plug. You have to insert in the socket, and this is the domestic is like this, you see. So all the 5 are coming in one. Okay, little disturbance from the dog, but that is fine. And next I will be putting this domestic socket here. So this is domestic socket of is a 6 ampere socket, and it comes along with the switch, because I need this also. This is the switch, 6 ampere switch. So I'll be putting this here. So accordingly I'll be cutting this. I'll quickly show you how to cut this. And before cutting this, you have to do a little bit of measurement. And for cutting this PVC board, then let me use a scale. I think it's better to use the centimeter, which is more accurate. Then you take this 5-in-1 or the socket, the domestic socket, and then you measure first the length. I think 8.5 will be okay. Let me take 8.5 as the length, and breadth, let me take as how much I should take. I should take 7.5. 7.5 will be okay. You see, I'm measuring 7.5 centimeter will be okay. And you can see the shapes, these shapes, little adjustment that you can do with the help of a saw. You just take the small saw for cutting the electrical saw, then you use that for cutting the little adjustment, then accordingly you will cut. So this is, I've taken 8.5 and 7.5. See, this is how it looks after the cutting and little adjustment with a knife. Where is it? Let me fix. Now you can fit. This is, will it fit or not? Because after properly cutting, it should fit. Yes, it is fitting, and this is also fitting, and the switch is also fitting. All right, now after fitting this, then with the help of a pencil you can mark and drill the holes so that you can fit.